When you have a giant head, it's not easy to find sunglasses until now. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a ginormous head. Huge. The fact that it fits inside this frame is a testament to the fisheye lens, because it is huge. Finding hats, finding things that fit on this noggin are nigh impossible. And one of the problems is finding sunglasses that fit. But I bring good news. Rest easy, big noggin brothers. ATX Optical has the glasses that you need. Now, they make glasses in a lot of different styles here, but what they do make is an XXL pair of glasses. So these are kind of a little a-traditional. I picked these up because I wanted to just try them out. The front here is actually kind of like a solid piece of plastic, and so that's kind of interesting. And then on the side, we have like wood arms, which is also kind of interesting. So between the flat piece of glass on the front and these wood arms, there's a little bit of a futuristic but also retro look to them. Now, the other thing that you have here are little spring-loaded arms, which I almost always have to use on regular glasses. You know, if I went to Walgreens and just picked up a pair of sunglasses, you have to bend those out to get around my big head. But what I want to show you here is that, look, I'm not stretching them out, and they fit on my giant head just like that. Now, don't fall in love with me, but what I love about these is that they're a really good deal. For 30 bucks, you get a pair of glasses that actually fit, you know, probably an extra 10 millimeters of width on these guys, but these are polarized as well. So you're not really making any compromises. Yeah, they're not a brand like Ray-Ban or Oakley or something like that, but those have never fit my head that well, and these don't put pressure on the temples here. You can see it's not pressing into my skin or anything, and that kind of gives you a headache and gives you the little indentations there. So these feel great. They stay on. If you have a giant head like me where you need big hats, big glasses, well, you know what? All the accessories are going to look proportional to your head now. So instead of like little tiny glasses and a little tiny hat on a big fat man, fat guy in a little coat, well, now you're going to look normal. And looking normal is half the battle to getting people to think you're normal. So if you want to pick up these ATX Optical sunglasses for giant heads, I'll put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than